The top 3 deadliest airplane crashes in modern history. Number 3. MH370, 2014. This Malaysia Airlines flight disappeared while en route from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing. The fate of the plane and its 239 passengers and crew remains unknown. Number 2. Malaysia Airlines Flight 17, 2014. This commercial flight was shot down over Ukraine, killing all 298 people on board. Number 1. 1985. This flight experienced a sudden decompression and crashed into a mountain, killing 520 of the 524 people on board. It remains the deadliest single aircraft accident in history.